One dead after gale-force winds. Floods strike northern Europe. Gale-force winds and floods struck several countries in northern Europe as the region braced for more heavy rain. In Scotland, one person was reported dead after being swept into a river, and authorities searched for a man thought to be trapped in his vehicle. The gale-force winds are expected to hit hardest in the eastern part of Denmark's Jutland Peninsula and the Danish islands in the Baltic Sea. A 57-year-old woman died on Thursday after being swept into a river in the region of Angus. Emergency services warn that rivers may still rise and breach flood defenses.